Welcome to another update on the San Clemente huge home transformation. So Scott's going to give us an update, but just a quick reminder, I'm Holly McKhann, a realtor. So if you have any home buying or selling needs, or if you want us to help you transform a home, make sure you hit us up for that. So all the contact info is below. And now Scott, take it away. Let us know what's been happening in the house since we last updated them.
Okay, so I was told I go too slow, so I'm going to go faster this week. So anyway, be prepared for that. So the biggest thing, which is super totally awesome, are the windows. The windows got in and they got installed. So we have these brand new windows. Some of them, we have 5 windows that I would call enormous. This is
a big one.
Yeah, this is one of the enormous ones. I wanted it so that it's just a picture window where there's no other opening parts, so there's no screens and there's no frames or anything. It's just a huge picture. So on the 5 big openings, I have a huge picture window, and then I have a smaller window on the side that opens to get some breeze in as needed.
And that's called a what kind?
That window is a casement window, so it cranks out.
Okay, and then what's going to go in this big hole?
This is going to be a big sliding glass door. It'll have 3 panels, and the 2 panels will move, and they'll all stack up against the 3rd fixed panel here. So we have like a 9-foot balcony here. The view is fantastic. This is the master. Let's keep going. I really like this window, by the way. I just like the shape of it. It makes the house look modern. This window was added. It wasn't on the plans originally. If you go over there, when you come into the room, that's straight what you look at. You look at Dana Point. You look at the coastline. That was a solid wall, but we called an audible and added that as a window. In here in the master, real quick, in the bathroom, we have a shower going here and then a tub going there. So we have a huge picture window next to the tub. We've got that lower so that if someone's in the tub, they can see out and enjoy the ocean view. We've also got a hole in the wall between the bedroom and the bathroom so that when you're taking a shower or in the tub, you can see straight through it and again, get the Dana Point view. I think it's awesome. This window was strategically placed in height so that a woman would feel comfortable showering and not feel too exposed, but there's no neighbors nearby anyway over there. Okay, let's keep it moving. Going downstairs. There's a ton of plumbing that's gotten finished up and progress made on it, which there was a lot there. There's also been a lot of HVAC. We've got, if you come over here, this is the pantry. We moved the pantry wall 2 feet over to enlarge the pantry. We decided to plumb it for a sink, so it's going to get a sink and probably a dishwasher in here. We've got this furnace and air conditioner. It's going to go in the vaulted space of the pantry, so it'll kind of be concealed. And then it shoots its air down what I call a backbone duct. Down here, we built this soffit around it to hide it and protect it. We've also run a lot of electrical in there. We have fire sprinklers started, so the orange pipe is fire sprinklers that we have to have. We got the pocket for the pocket door got built today. Got another huge window there, huge window there. This is going to get a sliding door. So this is 18 feet wide. 4 glass doors are going to slide, and disappear into the wall there, into that pocket.
Into the hole.
We had to build this soffit out for the top track. The doors will ride. The weight of the door sits down below, but it's have to, of course, stay aligned in the top track. Because there was originally in the design a post here, and we ended up getting rid of it and moving it out there, we have a lot of weight coming down there, so we had to do a lot of work to kind of double up and re-strengthen the beam that was down here to handle all that weight without bending or deflecting, as the engineers call it.
So how many windows are in the house?
There's 34 windows.
And how long did it take them to install them?
Oh, the guys were super fast. They installed it in like 2.5 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I know people are curious about that.
Yeah. These big doors, we have 6 big sliding doors. They're coming off the production line on March 22nd. So we're excited to get those in. I met with the stucco guy today. We're going to get going on the stucco wrapping pretty soon. We have a lot of decisions to make about railings and finishes and siding and all that stuff.
Okay. Is that it then? Anything more you want to show?
I think that can be it. There's been a ton of progress on electrical and plumbing, HVAC.
Yeah, you
So
can see wires, see in the ceiling, all the wires that are going in different places. What's that orange pipe for up there?
that's fire sprinklers.
Oh, fire sprinklers.
Yeah.
So tell us and tell the viewers about fire sprinklers. Are they required in all new homes or just certain sizes?
Well, in California, I'm only talking about California, all new homes require fire sprinklers. And in most, if it's a quote unquote a major remodel, which each city defines that differently, frequently they say if it's more than 50% of the drywall being changed, um, then you are required to do fire sprinklers.
Yeah.
So this definitely qualifies as a major remodel.
Yeah, so keep that in mind if you're ever remodeling your home. More than 50% of the drywall is a potential rule. You might have to add it. And we had to do that to a remodel we did in Dana Point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you catch the next one and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any real estate tips and information.